Let's make some lunch. We're going to make mashed potatoes. This is what we are making for lunch. Start by peeling the potatoes. We want them well peeled. So potatoes are peeled. Let us wash them. We are slicing them. We want them to cook evenly. So we are cutting them into equal pieces. Make sure we cut them evenly because we want them to cook evenly. This is how they are looking. Our potatoes are well washed. We are putting them in a saucepan. Just put them on the stove. We're just going to add salt and we boil them until they are soft. Let's cover them. We cook them until they are soft. So we are going to come back when they are softened and we mash them. So let's check on our potatoes. They are done and our water is done. There's no water in them. We're going to use Blueband and milk. So let me first warm the milk. Warm the milk for seconds. Just let us warm our milk for 20 seconds. This is what we are using to mash our potatoes. But if you cook the already when they still have water, you sieve the water out. So we put our Blueband. Our milk. We are getting green onion. So after grabbing the green onions, I just washed them, then cut them thinly before I put in the already mashed potatoes. We are finishing up with the green onion. can cut them as thin as possible. After adding green onions, the meal was ready to be served. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.